Hello, and welcome to my channel. We're all about wealth or finance management, new business ideas, quick tips to make your life better, or anything that can help you in your daily life. Click the bell button, as we're surely going to change the way you think about daily life or business. In today's video, we're going to talk about 8 business ideas, Agriculture Edition. Small businesses are the spine of any economy. They provide employment for more than half of the world's population and generate more than half of the world's GDP. One way to bring back economic vitality is to encourage the formation of new small businesses. Another way is to revitalize the existing small businesses that have been stagnating, whether because they don't have a particular market to serve or they're simply too old. Let's find out some fresh and some already established business ideas from a fresh and innovative point of view. Furniture refinishing. Furniture refinishing is a great way to make a small fortune by refinishing old furniture. We all know that furniture is a major expense for most people, and it can be hard to keep up with the upkeep. Furniture refinishing is a great way to bring your old furniture back to life without spending a fortune on new furniture or having to replace all your furniture. Refinishing is a process where you take your furniture apart and then reassemble it using the same materials that were used when the furniture was originally built. This allows you to save money on the cost of buying new furniture, while also keeping with the style and feel of what you have now. Figure out how much money you're willing to invest in materials, as well as labor costs, before starting a small-scale furniture refinishing business. Removals Company. Removals Company is a company that transports goods from one place to another. It's also known as moving, relocation, or logistics. The transport of goods by removals companies is important because it helps businesses move their inventory, machinery, and other items to different locations quickly and easily. You'll need to decide on your target market and target location before you can actually start operating your business. If you're looking at operating in a particular region or country, then it's best to start by doing some research into what their requirements are for moving companies. This will ensure that you don't get stuck with an outdated system that doesn't meet the needs of your potential customers. Cleaning Company. A cleaning company can be an incredible way to start your own business. There are many different ways that you can approach this type of business, but we'll focus on how to start a cleaning company that is profitable and sustainable. To get started with your new cleaning company, you'll need to decide what your initial capital requirements will be. You can start out with an investment of as little as $1,000 to $5,000, depending on the size of your space and what equipment or supplies you need. Once you have all your supplies purchased, it's time to set up a schedule for when each room is cleaned. The rooms should be cleaned every week or 2 weeks, depending on how often they're used by the residents who live there. Food truck. Starting a food truck business is a great way to make money and get your name out in front of the public. Not only will you be able to make money while spending time with your family, but you'll be able to expand your brand by selling your food truck's products in grocery stores across the country. The best way to start your food truck business is to find a location where you can park your truck and sell from there. You'll probably want to keep the area free of any obstructions that might cause problems with traffic flow or parking spaces. You can also look into getting permits for selling food at certain times of day or in certain areas of town. Holiday rentals. Starting a holiday rentals business is easy. You don't need to be a professional or have experience in the industry, and you don't need to be an expert in any aspect of finance or management. All you need is a passion for vacationing and a desire to help others find their dream vacation destination, and you're on your way. Here are a few steps you need to follow. A. Decide what kind of business model works best for you. B. Determine what kind of property you want to invest in: apartment, house, vacation home, and where you'd like to be located, city or suburb. C. Research the market for properties in your area, that is online listings, and find out what kind of other businesses are in operation there, that is apartment complexes, so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not this is a good one for your situation. Gym instructor. Gym instructor is one of the best professions to earn money. You can start your own business with very low investment cost, which you can easily manage. Requirements for becoming a gym instructor. 1. You must have good communication skills and friendly but muscular personality. 2. You must be able to give training or lessons to help people in their fitness goals. 3. You must have good knowledge about fitness and health-related topics, such as diet, exercise, weight loss, etc. 4. You must have good knowledge about different types of equipment used in gyms around the world, that is, treadmills, dumbbells, weight benches. Organic fertilizer production. Have you been thinking about starting organic fertilizer production? It's a great way to earn some extra income, but you'll need to do some extra work before you can make it happen. There are many types of fertilizers, but only a few are organic ones. Organic fertilizer production means that the fertilizer is made up of natural ingredients like animal waste, wood ash, compost, and peat moss, etc. They can be used on your farm as well as in gardens or flower beds around your house, so they don't need any special equipment or machinery to produce them. First, you'll need to select a location that is suitable for farming. You should look for an area that has access to water and electricity, as well as an adequate supply of nutrients. Next, you'll need to determine how much land you want to use for your project. Once you've decided where your farm will be located, it's time to get started with planning out how exactly everything will work together, from planting seeds until harvesting time. Mushroom farming. Mushroom farming is a great way to make some extra money and enjoy the outdoors. It's also a great way to get your hands dirty, which is always a good thing. You don't need any special skills or experience to start your own mushroom farm. The only thing you'll need is some land and some time, which you probably already have. First, find some land that's flat and has good drainage. You can use straw bales or logs on top of your plot to keep it level, so that you don't have too much soil erosion. Then cover your plot with straw or leaves if you have them available in your area, or just use dirt. Now that you've got yourself a nice plot of farmland, it's time to get started. First things first, decide what kind of mushrooms you want to grow, if they're edible or poisonous, and where they'll be grown. Once you've decided on your type of mushroom and where you want to grow them, in an area that suits your needs, there are a few things you can do to help ensure success. First, talk with your local agriculture experts about what kinds of nutrients they recommend to add to your soil and keep it healthy over time. Second, make sure that your tools are up to date so they're not wearing out too quickly. And third, and most importantly, find people who support what you're doing by buying from you rather than going elsewhere. So these were our 8 business ideas with addition of agriculture businesses. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sure you'll love our other ones too. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing so that you don't miss any of our latest content.